Keeping your family warm and safe during the winter months is essential, but at what cost? It's frustrating for all of us to have no control over rising home heating oil prices. But now there's a way for you to take control by using less oil with the Fitch Fuel Catalyst. The Fitch Catalyst is easily installed into any oil-burning system and uses a patented metallic alloy to rejuvenate heating oil, allowing it to burn more completely. The result? The same heat with less oil and up to 20% savings. Let's take a look at a typical residential installation process. The first step is to take a baseline reading, allowing us to get the current operating condition and efficiency of your heating system.
When you're looking at the efficiency of the boiler or furnace for hot air, we're going to produce the same information data points to give us a full assessment of its current operating condition and efficiency. This printout is coming from the printer by way of the analyzer, and as you can see, the unit here has to be suspended in such a way to allow for readings of stack temperature and the other emissions. So what we're doing is adjusting the analyzer to have a straight read in the center of the exhaust so that the emission data can be steady and consistent. This Weil-McLean Gold boiler can operate between 80 and 88% efficiency. This it was a reading taken yesterday, and the efficiency is 80.5. That means that there's room to increase the efficiency and the operating conditions, and we'll use this as our guide to make the adjustments that the technician will do for the clean and tune.
The second step is to expertly clean and tune your heating system. Here we remove the cover of the burner, then remove the transformer. Then we remove the inner cover to get to the oil nozzle, and then unplug the cable connecting the burner to the furnace or the boiler. Here we see the oil nozzle that controls the oil flow rate. This one is set to 0.75 gallons per hour. Once we optimize this system and install the Fitch Fuel Catalyst, we can then adjust the flow down using less gallons per hour. This saves oil but delivers the same or better heat efficiency. We then replace all the parts and turn off the oil valve from the tank to the system. Then disconnect the oil line, being careful not to spill any oil. We then begin the internal inspection by opening the boiler door. Here we see soot, even though this unit was cleaned less than 2 weeks earlier. It's about a ½ inch deep and acts as insulation, causing the boiler to operate inefficiently. We thoroughly vacuum all the soot and then work our way up to the exhaust pipe. Removing it, we can see down and inside the boiler where more soot has formed. We scrape and loosen the soot and then again vacuum to complete the cleaning phase of the clean and tune. We replace all the parts, reconnect the oil line cable, and run another post-cleaning reading. Next, we install the catalyst. The catalyst is small and can-like and takes up very little space. We make sure it's installed upright, attaching both end fittings with plumbing dope to avoid any leaking and ensuring a proper fit. Then we again turn off the oil and detach the oil line. The catalyst attaches to the oil line on one end and then is mounted to the side of the boiler using a stable bracket. Then a copper line is run from the other end of the catalyst to the burner valve. The catalyst is hardly noticeable, clean, and out of the way. And now the payoff. The final results and savings. Using the proper clean and tune methods and the efficiency benefits of the catalyst, we were able to increase this system's efficiency from 80.5% to 84.7% for a 5.2% gain. More importantly, we were able to drop the flow rate by adjusting the nozzle from 0.75 gallons per hour to 0.65 gallons per hour using 13.3% less oil. These two factors represented projected savings of 18.5%. This customer's average fuel use was 884 gallons annually. Reduce that by the 18.5% savings, and that saves this homeowner 163.5 gallons. Multiply those gallons saved by an average fuel price per gallon of $3.50, and this homeowner is projected to save $572.25 against the previous year's fuel usage. Best of all, that savings is sustainable with routine cleanings. That means in this case, the catalyst pays for itself in only 1 year. What's your next step? Check out SaveOnHeatingOil.com for more information and simply call 888-339-2815 to order your Fitch Fuel Catalyst.